Good morning, everyone. How are you all?
I'm fine. Thank you.
All right, very good.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm doing good. Thank you very much. My dear students, I hope all of you have completed details about yourself on page number 22. I had instructed all of you to fill in those details. Page number 22. Have you been able to do it? Those who have done the same, please show the page to me. Page number 22. No need to call out your names. Just show me the page. I will check.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Amrin is not right.
Amrin has not written.
Not
Why?
I also not written.
Mhm.
I not written.
Mhm. Many students have not done the work. That means why? Yes. Now some are just thinking about it now. That means you are not doing the work regularly as instructed. That's not a good thing at all. No, those who are good students will definitely do their work, complete their work on time and as instructed. Yes, those who have done the work, please show it to me. I'm going to write down the names here. Those who have done the work, show it to me. Yes, Anvi, good. Dhara, good. Elaine, good. Elaine, not that one. Page number 22. 22. Ayush? Yes, good. Via Vinu, yes, very good. Zehra, bring it a little more in front, towards the front. Not that, Zehra, I want to see page number 22. 22. That is not page number 22. See the page number. 22 of your literature workbook. Isa, yes. Angel Mary, that is not the page. Page number 22 of your literature workbook, part 2. Elaine, yes. Elaine, yes, good. Adon Anto, yes, very good. Okay. Saharsh, Sasha, and Sarish, good. I can see 2 books. What about the third one? Yes, very good. Okay. Isatino, yes, now you are showing me the right page. Namika, I want you to write on your own. Yeah, okay, good. Next time, do the work on your own, okay? Raya Fatima, yes, the work is done. Nakshatra, good. Nazaha is raising her hand. Why? What is it, Nazaha? Yeah. Okay, good, good. Good, Nazaha. Arav? Yes, Arav also has done the work well. Good. Abel, it's not clear from here. Ah, yes, I could see it now. Good, Abel. So find those who have done the work on time. Very good. Let's give a clap for them. Come on. Good job. And those who have not been able to do it, see to it that you complete the work soon after this session gets completed, gets done. Okay? Did everybody hear it? And understand it? Yes. Okay. Zehra, what is it?
Ma'am, I not written the work.
I have not written. Yeah, that is what I said. Whoever has not been able to do it, get it done soon after this session. All right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now I want all of you to move to page number 24. Today we will be trying to understand module 8. Module 8, exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1 is about words related to school. Words related to school. Our school. Do you remember coming to school? Do you remember coming to school, my dear students? Those who remember coming to school, raise your hands or give a thumbs up. Give a thumbs up, that's enough. Yes. Okay. I want one of you to speak about what you remember about your school. Namasvi, come on. Namasvi, go ahead. What do you remember about our school? Come on, Namasvi, you may speak in your own words. I will help you out.
Okay. Study with my friends
Hmm.
and sometime play with my friends
Okay.
and eat some foods.
Not foods, food. The
Food?
plural is food itself.
Food and and
Why don't you try to speak about some rooms that you have seen in our school?
study table and I will.
Those are
play-
things in the classroom, right?
Yes.
Hmm.
Chair,
Hmm.
ruler,
Don't take help of this image. I want you to speak in your own words. Come
table,
on, think. Hmm.
table, book,
Yeah.
pencil,
Pencil. Yeah.
board,
Boat. Okay.
chalk,
Chalk. Good. Good. She's trying to recollect things. Good.
windows,
Sorry, I didn't get you.
windows,
Say it again.
window,
Windows. Okay, good.
and shelves,
Shelves. What did you keep in those shelves?
bags,
Hmm. Yes.
and
Water bottle. Water bottle, right?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Well done. You have tried to speak quite well. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Yes, Zara, try. Huh.
Bag, book, chair,
Don't take help of the picture. I want you to speak in your own words. Try to remember
bag,
the time that you have spent in the classroom and speak about it.
bag,
Hmm.
book,
Those are names of things that you use at school, right?
cupboard, windows, chalk, bird, chair.
Okay, good. Good effort.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome. So see, before this pandemic happened, we used to go to school almost every day, apart from the holidays, right? There are so many things that we take with us when we go to school. Apart from that, there are many other things that we get to see at school, only at school, right? Apart from these things, there are different kinds of people or different people whom we meet at school. So in this exercise, we are going to understand about the different things and different people whom we meet at school. Okay. Wilba, unmute. Wilba, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, read the first one. I am going to put a tick mark. That one I want you to read. See, I have put a tick mark on one word. I want you to read that word.
Board.
Board. Yes, very good. Tell me the use of the board. Who uses it and for what purpose? For what work?
Teacher.
Say it in a complete sentence. The teacher uses the board. Say it. The teacher
The teacher.
uses the board.
The board.
For what? For what does the teacher use the board?
Teacher.
The teacher uses the board. I agree with it. For what does the teacher use? Sorry?
Right.
For what does the teacher?
Right.
To write and teach the students, right? To write the things that she wants to teach the students. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good, good. Orville, read the next one. Yes, Orville, read the next one. I want the other one to read. Is the one in yellow shirt Wilbur? What is your name, my dear? The one in pink t-shirt.
Orville.
Orville. Okay, Orville. Read the next word.
Table.
No, I want the one in pink shirt to read. That is Wilbur, right? No, that is Orville. Okay, Orville, read. That's this one that I have put a tick mark on.
This. Duster.
Yes, say it again. Duster. 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 Okay, tell me who uses it and for what purpose?
Right.
Think and answer.
Erase.
Who uses it first?
Erase.
Who uses the duster?
Teacher.
The teacher uses the duster for what? To erase. To erase what? You must try to give answers in complete sentences. To erase what? To erase whatever she has written on the board, right? Do you remember the teachers come and write on the board whatever they want to teach, A, B, C, and they use the duster to erase it or remove it from the board, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Very good. Both of you. Thank you. Rituparna, unmute. Try to read this board. This word.
Cupboard.
Cupboard. Yes. What is the cupboard used for? Cupboard, not board. Cupboard. What is the cupboard used for?
For keeping books.
For keeping?
Books.
No, don't drag the word. Books. Books.
Books.
Yes, for keeping books and other necessary material. Very good, Rituparna.
Right. Now we want to write.
Don't ask want to. Ma'am, should we write? Repeat.
Ma'am, should we write?
Not as of now, my dear. When it is time to write, I will tell you. Okay? Yeah. Rhea, unmute. Read this word.
Table.
Table. Very good. Whose table is this? Have a look at it and tell me. At the corner, one side of the room, of the classroom. Whose table is it? Try to remember the classroom and tell me. Yes?
Ball.
No, this table. Whose table is it in the classroom?
Teacher.
The teacher's table. Yes, very good. The teacher's table. The teacher will come and sit on the chair. She will keep the books in front, and after teaching, when she is done with her work, all the work, she will sit there and do the correction. If there is some child who has not been able to understand something that is taught, she will call that child and explain things to her sitting on the chair and table, right?
Yes.
Have you observed that happening in the class? Many
Yeah.
times, right? Yes. Okay, Raya, good. Thank you. Arav, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Identify, read this word that I have ticked. This one.
Pencil.
Pencil. Who uses it and for what? Who uses the pencil and for what?
Student.
Yes, say it in a sentence.
The pencil
Mm.
using
Is used.
different
The pencil is used.
as children.
Say it first, repeat what I said. The pencil
The pencil
is used
is used
by the students.
by the students
For what? That you tell on your own. For what do the students use the pencil?
for writing.
For
Writing. Writing.
studying. For writing, yes. The pencil is used by the students for writing and learning. Yes, very good, Arav. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Srinidhi, unmute. Srinidhi, read this word. I have put a tick mark on one word. I want you to read that word.
Desk.
Desk. Desk.
Desk.
Okay. Who uses it for what?
Children's.
Not children's. Children. S is not needed. Children itself is the plural form of the word.
Children.
Actually, you must use the word students.
Children.
Students. The children coming to school to learn are called students. Okay, when they are at school, they will be called students.
Okay.
Okay, so what do they use the desk for? Trinity,
Desk.
what do the students use the desk for?
Keeping books.
Keeping the books. Yes, very good. You're absolutely right. They keep the books on the desk and the students will write neatly in their
Book.
books. Yes, very good. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Welcome. Abel, unmute. Read this word.
Book.
No, I have put a tick mark on that word.
Bag.
Bag, yes. Who uses the bag and for what?
Children.
Students.
Students.
Hmm.
Students.
Use bags.
Bag.
Hmm.
Keep pencil and razor.
Okay, you're right. But I will tell you how to frame the sentence. Students use bags to keep and carry. They take everything to school in the bag and they bring it back home as well. Right? Am I right? Yes. So students use the school bag to keep and carry their things to school and from school. To and from school. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Good effort, Abel. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Add on, unmute. Read the ticked word. Unmute. Touch the speaker icon one time. Yeah. Read the ticked word.
Book.
Not book. Book.
Book.
Book. Yes. What are books used for? What are books used for? By whom?
Study.
By whom?
By whom?
By whom are books used?
In the book.
Books are used by everybody, right? Everybody uses books for writing. But students use books for writing and learning, right? Students use books
Yes.
for writing and learning.
Like learning.
Learning, yes. Very good, very good. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Adon. Mia, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the ticked word.
Chair.
Chair, yes. Who uses the chair for what?
For sitting.
For sitting. Who uses it, my dear? First, you need to say that. Who uses the chair?
Students.
Sorry?
Students.
Bags. Who uses the chair for sitting?
Students.
What about the teacher? The teachers also use the chairs for sitting, right? The teacher will use the teacher's chair and the students will use the students' chairs. Yes, Mia? And
Yes.
both of them use the chairs for sitting and doing their work. Okay, good effort, Mia. Thank you. Nathaniel, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Read this word. R-U-L-E-R. 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 Read the word.
R-U.
R-U-L-E-R.
R
U.
U L E R.
What is that?
Ruler. No.
Ruler.
Ruler.
Ruler. Yes. I can see a shine in your eyes when you got the word. Very good. Do you have a ruler with you?
Yes.
Yes. Can you show it to us?
I
Yeah.
got
Tell me another word that is used for the same thing. Yeah. I saw it. Thank you.
Another word for
Can you
ruler?
tell me another word for it?
a scale.
Yes. Can you tell me the use? What is it used for?
It's for
Mm.
making nice lines.
Nice line. Is it a nice line or there is another word for it?
It's a straight line.
Yes, fantastic. Yes, well done. See, this is a curved line and this is a straight line. Yes, and a ruler is used to draw a straight line. Very good, Nathaniel. Good. You have explained it very well. Good. Thank you. Okay, my dear students, I believe everybody has got some idea. Yes, you're able to recollect what all things are used at school. Let us discuss a few more words. Move to page number 25. 25. Test. A test. Yes, a test is conducted by the teachers for the students to make sure about whether they have learned everything that the teacher has taught them. Okay, to check the understanding of the students, a test is conducted by the teachers. And those who get full marks get stars for their performance. Right? Okay. Then the next word is bell. Bell. Do you remember the school bell? The sound of the school bell? Do you remember the sound of the school bell? Yes. Who can try to imitate or demonstrate the sound of the school bell? Nakshatra. Ring. Yes, yes. Yes. And when does the bell ring?
Ma'am, we need to write.
When it is time to write, I will tell you. Don't ask the same things again. Yes? When does the bell ring? Hmm? Yes. At the end of every period, every class, the bell rings.
The end of the school.
Yes, yes. At the end of the school also, the bell rings. Yes, very good. Okay. The next term is school bus. Nomika. School bus, what is it used for? What color is the school bus and what is it used for?
The school bus is used to
Is,
go to school.
what color is it?
Yellow.
It's yellow in color and what is the use? Can you speak a bit more louder? I can barely hear you.
School bus is used
Hmm?
to go to school.
To go and come back from school as well, right?
Yes.
To and fro. Okay, good. Thank you. Teacher. Teacher, what? We are unmute. What is the work done by the teacher? We are.
Studying.
Teachers are studying. Are you sure? Studying, is that the word? No, my dear.
Teaching.
Teaching, yes. The job or the work done by the teachers is to teach the students and to make sure that they have learned whatever the teacher
Teaching.
has taught them, right? Teaching is the work done by teachers. Okay, very good, Via. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. The next term is classmates. Classmates. Krishang, unmute. What do you understand by the term classmates? Krishang, classmates. Who are classmates?
Friends.
Friends. Yes, classmates can be friends, but let me make this term clear to you all. You all are the students of 1A. All of you are studying in the same class, that is 1A, and that makes you classmates. Classmates, mates of the same class. Students learning in the same class are called classmates. You can definitely be friends with each other. Understood the difference between classmates and friends? Okay. Yeah, good. The next term is the principal. Aiden, unmute. Principal.
Yes.
Who's the principal?
Chairman sir.
No, chairman sir is not the principal, my dear. Chairman sir is the chairman. Principal. Who is the principal?
I don't know.
Okay. A principal is a very important person of the school. The principal will take care of all the academics related things in a school and many other, it is a team. There will be many other people who will be working along with the principal to see the smooth functioning and excellent functioning of the school. Okay, then.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Now let us move to exercise 2.1. Here we need to color the circles that have words related to school. The first word is bedsheet. Is a bedsheet available in a school? Bedsheet. Bedsheet.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, where? Where?
No.
No.
In the house only.
In the house. Yes, yes, that's right. But my dear students, let me inform you, we have a medical room in our school, right? And there the bed sheets are
Yes.
neatly used for covering the beds. But that may not be present in all the schools, so we will not go for the option of bed sheet. The second one, desk. Is it available?
Yes.
Yes, it's used by the students. Then number 3, teacher.
Yes.
Yes, definitely, teacher. Kitchen? Kitchen? Yes, a kitchen is a huge and beautiful kitchen is there at our school in the canteen. But that is not compulsorily available in all schools. So we will not go for that option. Okay. The fifth one, books. Yes, we learn from the books. And the sixth one, bell. Bell? Yes. Okay, very good. So I want all of you to color these 4 words: desk, teacher, books, and bell. Though we have bed sheets and a kitchen also at our school, but those are not compulsorily available in all schools, so we will not color those. At our school, both these things are also there. So you need to color these 4 words: desk, teacher, books, and bell. My dear students, I hope all of you have been able to understand many terms, many words related to school in this exercise, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, very good, very good.
Ma'am.
Yes, yes. May I stop sharing?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand which all 4 words you need to color today?
Yes.
4 words, right? Okay, fine. So it is time for me to wind up the session here. Did you all enjoy and learn at the same time? Yes? You have been reminded about your days when you used to come to school, right? Which will be happening again soon. So get ready, everybody. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.
Bye.